Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable audio descriptions on your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open the settings app on your Samsung device, and then you need to click or tap the settings, and then here then you need to scroll down, find and locate this accessibility, and then you need to tap, and then here at accessibility, and then you need to select this vision enhancement and then tap again, and then here at visions enhancement, and then you need to scroll down again, and then under at spoken assistant, then you can see now this audio description settings. So what is audio descriptions? So this is an accessibility feature that provides spoken descriptions of on-screen visuals for videos. This allows individuals with visual impairments to better understand the content they are watching. So this is the very useful settings on Samsung on how to enable or disable. So on right side, you can see this button, and then if you want to enable, then toggle this on. And then if you want to disable or turn off, then toggle this button. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on Samsung settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for mobile tutorial. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.